Are you waking up late because your iPhone alarm is too quiet? In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to increase the volume of your alarm so you never miss an important wake-up call again. This works on any iPhone model, so it doesn't matter which model you have. Just follow the steps in this video. I'm going to open my control center, and you can see that this volume slider is set to the maximum. But if I go over to my clock app and set a new alarm, the volume is too low and it's quiet. So what you'll want to do instead is to exit the clock app, because we need to go over to our settings. Once on the settings page, scroll a bit down until you see the Sounds and Haptics section. This is where we will have this ringtone and alert slider, and we'll want to increase this slider and drag it to the right side in order to increase out alarm volume. If I now go back to the alarm clock and try to set an alarm sound, you can hear that it's louder and stronger. Keep in mind that this will also increase the volume of your phone's ringtone and other important alerts. Another way that you can quickly change the alarm volume is by making sure that this change with buttons is enabled. And you can then use your volume up and volume down buttons to quickly change the alarm volume. Tell me whether this worked for you in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.